What's up guys, iAppleTuber here. In today's video, unfortunately I have a very bad news. As some of you might know, Coto Movies, which was previously Bobby Movie, has been completely shut down by themselves. So in today's video, I'll be explaining to you why that has been happening, why Cydia alternates have been removing movie apps, and a lot more. So I hope that you do enjoy these type of videos on the channel. If you do, leave a like and I'll make sure to bring these type of news type of content more on the channel. So based on your likes, I will make this decision. Now let's get to the video. So Coto Movies decided to completely shut down their app yesterday. So if you were using the app, it would give you a message like this, which reads, Coto Movies will soon be shutting down. We are sorry. As you can see on the screenshot, here are some people who have sent a screenshot who were using Coto Movies and got this message. So what was the main reason? Why has been this happening? Because such thing has never happened. Bobby Movie was in this industry since a long time ago. I've known these guys since 2015. They revamped to Coto Movies and now they're shut down. And if you go on Twitter and go onto the profile, you'll see that it says that they have been completely down. So as you can see, it says tweets are now loading, which means they have decided to take down your account as well. And if you click on the link, which I will do right here for you just to show you, if you click on it, it will just load the white empty page. Nothing will load. That means because they've completely shut down the app, they have completely removed their website, this app is gone, unfortunately. They might make a return, but for now it's gone. So why has this happened? Why is the Cydia alternative not showing these type of movie apps? Unfortunately, the movie Hellboy, which I don't know if you know about, what was a movie which came out a few months ago, has decided to take legal actions against movie apps. So they were very angry that movie apps were pirating and showing their movie for free, which basically that's the point of all these Coto Movies, showing movies for free. So they decided to take legal action. So Coto Movies decided to completely shut down the app to prevent that happening. Hellboy is deciding to continue with their legal action, as you can see right here on the screen. As it reads, they have a legal action to provide information from Tweetbox as to why they have been pirating movie apps, and they want to know more information why Coto Movies was pirating their app and why Tweetbox was providing the service to people for free. This is a legal action. It could end up being court, and they could potentially sue Tweetbox, Coto Movies, and even the other sources of free movie apps. That is very sad news in the iOS community because we've been used to these type of content for a long time, and they have suddenly decided to take it down because of a legal action, which I can actually understand. That's it with today's video. I just wanted to bring an update to you guys as to why these movie apps are not working anymore and as to why you could not find them on the Cydia alternatives anymore. So if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and as well subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Much more content dropping. Have a great day everyone. iAppleTuber here, signing off.
It's all about humanity.